So you know, here at Drag Live, we like to incorporate live vocals from time to time, actually every week as much as possible. And here to serenade you and get you into a festive mood with a little Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas, please give it up for Miss Violet Star Blue.
There is just one thing I need. It's like I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. I want for Christmas. To the North Pole for St. Nick. I would even stay awake to hear those little reindeer declare. 'Cause I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby, for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't even hang my stocking way up on the fireplace. That won't make me happy with no toy on Christmas Day. I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do?
Yep.
Well, the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear the sleigh bells ringing. Santa, won't you bring me the one that I need? Bring my baby to me. I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is
Food.
you. Oh my God. Whatever looks good. You, baby.
Y'all go up for Violet Star Blue. Surprised you wore a corset to sing some Mariah.
Yeah, me too.
Even Mariah doesn't wear a corset to sing Mariah.
I was trying to
Clearly.
really unlace it halfway through the song, but it
Yep.
didn't work.
Take it from someone who knows. Singing live in a corset is no piece of cake. That is some difficult shit because you can't breathe.
I've done it before, but not the at the end.
See, there you go. You've got it. Y'all give it up for Violet Star Blue.
No more courses tonight. Hello.
Okay.